Hi, I'm Mrs. Sopit. Today I'm going to do some spooky science. I'm going to make a spooky, creepy, crawly spider. Now, don't worry, it's not a real spider. My spider will be made out of tinsel. Have you seen this before? This is a holiday decoration. You can find this in the holiday aisle of the shopping stores. Some people put this on Christmas trees. Well, I'm going to use this as my spider. Spiders have how many legs? 8 legs. So I have 4 strands here. So that gives me 4 legs on each side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into a spider by making a knot. And you can have your grown-up help you with this part if you'd like to do this at home. So you take both ends and just make a big knot in the center of your string, of your tinsel. See? And then I'm gonna pull it through. So I have a knot right in the center. It might be kind of hard to see, but I have a tiny knot right there in the center and 4 very long, creepy, crawly legs. To make your spider crawl, you'll need a balloon. Are you ready to see my spider crawl? Okay, first I need to create some static electricity. I do that by rubbing my head, my hair, your hair, and the friction of the rubbing on the balloon creates static electricity. Look at that. Okay, get a nice charge on your balloon. Are you ready? Ooh, you can already see the legs. All right, so I drop the spider on my balloon. Ooh, look at it's creepy crawling. Ooh, that kind of spooked me a little bit because it crawled really fast. Did you see that? Let's do that one more time. So I get my tinsel spider, create some electricity, some static. Okay, ready? Oh, look at the legs. So you can kind of hover it over your balloon and you can see the legs moving around, or you can also drop it on your balloon. Like this. That startled me again. I'm not a fan of spiders. Whoa, did you see that spider jump? Oh man. Well, if you'd like to try that at home, all you need is some holiday tinsel and a balloon, and you have a creepy crawly spider. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you next time. Bye.